Hey designers, let's create a text animation in After Effects. Start by selecting the text tool and writing your text. Choose your preferred font, adjust the size, and then align the text both vertically and horizontally. Next, right-click on the text layer, go to Create, and select Create Masks from Text. The original text layer will become hidden, and a new layer with the text outlines will appear. Unhide the original text layer by clicking the eye icon next to it in the timeline. Now, go to the properties of the text outlines layer that was created. Expand the masks option, and you'll see that each letter of the text has its own mask. For each letter in your text, you'll need a separate layer. Since we have 4 letters in text, duplicate the text outlines layer 3 times by pressing Ctrl+D 3 times. On the first layer, go to Masks and delete all the letters except the first letter T. Rename this layer to T. Repeat this process for each subsequent layer. On the second layer, delete all the letters except E and rename it to E. On the third layer, delete all the letters except X and rename it to X. On the fourth layer, delete all the letters except the final T and rename it to T. Zoom into the timeline and move the playhead to about 5 or 6 frames, depending on your preference. Select all the masked text layers and trim these layers from the end at the 6th frame by pressing Alt and right square bracket. After setting up the text layers, rearrange and offset them as desired. Move the playhead to this point and press N on your keyboard to set the end of the work area. Select all of the masked text layers, then go to Effects and Presets and search for Fill. Apply the fill effect to each layer. Select each letter layer one by one and choose a different color for the fill effect to give each of the 4 letters a unique color. Once you've applied the colors, your text animation is complete. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.